Learn about how to add images in our application. How to add images in our application and where to store the images and how to display on the application. To display an image on the screen, we first store images, and to store images either we can create a folder. So you right click on your folder and new group, and the group is nothing but a folder, and you can give it a name images, and right click on it and select add files. When you select add file, go to the folder where you have all the images. So I have my images here. One is Dhawan, one is Kohli. So these are two images I want to display. There may be other images if you have other images. So I have these two images, Dhawan and Kohli. Dhawan and Kohli. Let's download one more image. So this is Yuvraj image, so you can save it. Let's add it to our project. So again you right click and add files, then you select yuvraj.jpg. Now make sure that you check on this checkbox. This checkbox should be checked. Then you click on add button to add it. So you have 3 images. Now you can display only one image at a time. So to display an image, if you want to display all images, you need 3 image views. But if you want to display only one image at a time, you need only one image view. So to display an image, you need image view. So this is your image view. So it has nothing, it's empty view. Inside this view, image view, you can attach any image. So from the list, from the drop down, you can select any image. Let's say Dhawan, by default Dhawan. Okay. So if you run your application, this by default Dhawan's image will be there. But you want a user to change the image by clicking on some button or by selecting it from the list. So to change the image at runtime, we ask user to select the name of the cricketer. So to select, we give a user option, and to provide option, we can use segmented control. Now in segmented control, as you can see here, in segmented control, we can create 3 segments. Segment 1 for Kohli, segment 2 for Yuvraj, and segment 3 for Dhawan. And we will change the image based on the segment selection. So if user select Kohli, we will display Kohli's image. If user selects Yuvraj, will display Yuvraj image. If user select Dhawan, will display Dhawan image. So by default since Kohli is selected, so we by default display Kohli's image. Okay. Now we we write some code to change it at runtime. So first element is image view, second element is segmented control. So we create outlet for these elements. So @IB outlet, variable image, sports, or let's say cricketer, image view is of type UI image view. So UI image view is the control where we can display the image. Okay. Then segmented control is there. So cricketer segment, UI segmented control. Now we want image to change on click of cricketer on change of this cricketer segment. So we create action for this segment. Action cricketer change. So this action function will execute when user click on the name of the cricketer. Okay. So whenever if user click on first name, that is cricketer segment dot selected segment index is 0. Getting my point? If segment selected value is 0 means user want Kohli to display. So we will attach Kohli's image with this cricketer image view. So what is the name of Kohli's image? Kohli.jpg. So to attach, we first store that image in a UI image object. So we create object of UI image. This UI image class represent one image at a time in the memory. So it represents that image file, and to store that image file, we can pass the name of image using the named initializer. And what is the name of image is Kohli.jpg. After we load this Kohli.jpg in img variable, img object, we attach it with the image view. So cricketer image view has property image. So image view has a property image, and what is the type of image property? UI image. And img is also of type UI image. So we attach it with. Okay. Okay. Now we can do same thing. And same thing for segment index 1, but this time Yuvraj dot jpg, and same thing for if the selected index is 2, then same thing for Dhawan. So this way we can attach now Yeah, we have to make connections. We have to make connections to,
No, sir. Viewer JPG correction. Else if condition.
yes. Now let us connect this outlet and this function. Using the outline. So cricketer image view and cricketer segment. And this action should be connected with the segment, and when we connect with the segment we select value change because we have change in the segment selection. Now if I run it, you can see the effect. So this is how we can store images in our project, and we can display one image at a time on the image view control. Got the idea?